Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create handouts for a presentation in PowerPoint. They'll be created automatically in a Word document. Let's get into the method. To create handouts, open your presentation and click on File in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, choose Export and now click on Create Handouts. Once again, click on the Create Handouts button and now you should be able to select the layout that you want, as well as related settings. Once you're happy with these, click on OK and the Word document should open automatically. And you can check it and customize it further if you need to. You can now print the handouts from Microsoft Word if you wanted physical copies. That's how to create handouts for a presentation in PowerPoint. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.